Hello friends, in this video I will repair this lamp. As you can see, this piece is broken and I cannot use this lamp anymore and I have to repair. Now I will show you how I will repair this and it will last for a lifetime. Let's begin. So first of all, let's measure. So I cut this piece of aluminium and I will bend this and I will put inside. Let's do it. So I bend this piece of aluminium to fit exactly inside. Now I just have to make the holes here and cut to this length. Now this project is ready. I made this part and fits perfectly here. And I put this screw. Now this is perfect. But I'm afraid that I will have to enforce these other parts, because now this spring is very strong and makes a lot of force. This is very strong, but now this is the weak part. Now let's put everything together. Now this project is ready. Let's test. Now it's very strong. I hope that I've inspired you to make this project. If you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.